Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your internal error on your iPhone. So for doing this, just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find general. Just scroll down until you will see shutdown. So just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restart your phone. So mostly it helps. But if you still have this issue, so you can try another way. So just go back to the settings. In the settings you need to find general again, and in the general you need to choose software update. So check wait until it will check for update, and if you have available updates, just download and install them on your iPhone. So mostly it helps. But if you still have this issue, so you can try another way. So just go back and just try to make forced restart on your phone. So I know it depends on model of iPhone you have, because I will tell you an example of iPhone X, iPhone 11 and iPhone 12. So on iPhone with Face ID. If you have another model of iPhone, just find in Google what combination of buttons you need to press to make forced restart. So on this model of iPhone you just need to press on high volume buttons and on low volume button, and just keep on hold power button until you will see black screen. So after, just release your finger from power button, and after you will see Apple logo. So when you will see Apple logo, it means that you successfully made forced restart. So this is the way how you can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.